All right, YouTubers, I haven't did a Corvette C8, C7 video. Disclaimer, this is just an opinion. And everybody's got an opinion about the Corvette, but here's my opinion. It's not really an opinion, it's just the status of the effect of what the new C8 has done in my local area to Stingrays. And so the new C8, which is the new Corvette, which is an absolutely beautiful car. I don't care what color you pick. Yeah, this thing is just, it's bad. So I kind of wanted to look and see. Oh wow, yeah, that's the color. That's the interior I would do mine in. But I kind of want to look and see what has it done to the cost of the C7s. And so what I did was I went over to CarMax and I just looked at all the C7s they have. I see they got, just looking at 2014 through 2020, they got 110 of these bad boys. Now here's something for the people that's actually thinking about getting a Stingray right now, which I know you want to have the latest and greatest. For me, unless you're some kind of YouTuber or ultra rich guy with a little extra money, maybe the Stingray is not going to be the one that you want. But if you just want the cheapest model you can get, go for it. But here's what happened to the Stingray. And this was even before the C8 came out. But now that the C8 came out, I just did a search nationwide for my zip code. 110 2014. They say 2020, but it's probably 2018 Corvettes. 2019 Corvettes out there, and there's 110 of them, and look, most of them are Stingrays. I mean, so to me, if you go and bang for your buck and the most car for the less money, I would wait before I got the Stingray. I would wait for the Grand Sport or the C8 Z06. Because look at all these people getting rid of these damn Stingrays. I mean, it's 110 of these, and I bet you 109 of them are Stingrays. You know, even the Z51, which is the more, I guess, powerful Stingray. But look at here. They're getting them all away. Get rid of them. That's just 22. Let's see. I'm going to see some more matches. But the majority of these are Stingrays. And there wasn't nothing wrong with the Stingray. For me, it was never appealing to me, the Stingray. It looked like what it was, the base model, even with the Z51 package. And so I'd imagine that that's going to be the same with the C8. I mean, the C8 is a beautiful car. And when this came out, I guess for everybody except for me, it was a beautiful car. I didn't like the Stingray right off the bat. I mean, because it looks basic. The Stingray is a basic bitch.
Back. I'm sorry, but the test was positive. You're a basic bitch.
And, we don't do basic bitches. So my warning is, man, just kind of hold off if you're a hard-working guy. You ain't just got money to burn like a bunch of these YouTubers and celebrities. You know, I mean, the Corvette is your dream car, and you want the most dream car you can get. This Stingray probably isn't the one, even though it's a C8. Because I mean, all of these are Stingrays. People are just trying to dump these damn Stingrays off on the market. Now, right now, if you want a Stingray, you just want a Corvette, You know, I still think these prices are kind of high, but if you just want a Corvette and just want a Stingray, you know, go for it. I mean, to me, when you just the Grand Sport, when you look at this thing compared to a Stingray, I mean, to me, look at that shit. That's hands down a better looking car than the Stingray. And I'm not knocking the Stingray. If you're a base model, basic bitch ass person, you know, go and get you a Stingray. But this, the Grand Sport basically got everything the Z06 got in looks and style. And then the Stingray Z51 is just kind of like, you know, your base model baby, you know. Definitely is still a very, very pretty car, but it's just for the people that want to go basic. They just want to have a Corvette. For me, if I'm going to spend $44,000 for a Corvette, and even now, let's see, the Z06, that's roughly $40,000 something for these Stingrays, depending on the year or whatnot. And then a Z06 is roughly $9,000-$10,000 more. You know, I mean, if you're gonna spend the money, you get the best looking car. I would say at this point, if you're trying to get a C7, just go ahead on and get a Z06 if you can find one. Because as I'm looking through here, there's not many. There's one right there, very nice color scheme. But there's just not a many. There's not a lot of Z06s. What's 55 for this one with 54,000 miles? I would not buy that one. Hell no. Stay away. I'm not buying no 54,000 mile used Corvette. That's not finna happen. I go this route. 22K, 57. Yeah, I could do this. It's probably like 1LT or something. Looks like a basic bit. But yeah, 58 for 15K miles. So if you just gotta have a Corvette, you wanna get something now, I would definitely jump on one of these Z06s with, you know, low mileage. I would say under 20,000 miles. I don't think I would buy a Corvette with more than that, because I mean, even that is a lot of miles for a sports car. But they got a lot of Stingrays. I mean, these Stingrays, people are dumping these mugs like, this is a 2019 with 4K miles. I'm out. I'm out. I'm finna save up these ducats to get that C8 Stingray. The C8 Stingray compared to the C7 Stingray. Let's just go with the Z51. Let's see if we can put up a big picture of it. I mean, in comparison, you know, base model to base model, Z51, C7 to, let's see, Z51, C8. Shit. That car there is bad as hell. Let's see. Yeah, if I'm gonna get a Corvette, I'm not getting this one right now. And if I just gotta have a Corvette, I'm definitely gonna try to go balls to the wall, and I'd get a Z06 C7, or I just wait. Oh man, tell me this is not my car. No, we're not gonna go into that. But I would just wait and go ahead and get man, Since this is my car, I'm finna trip the hell out. Let me look at the inside, because I knew the marks I had on my steering wheel. Oh no, this is Alcantara. This is definitely not my car. This is a sweet ass ride though. Damn, it's just like mine. I would buy this one, 55. But anyway, that's my take on it, man. Don't don't take my word or anybody's word for it. It's just information out here to kind of lay it out there. Do you really want to get the Stingray C8 now? Do you really want to wait and get the next model, the Z06 version? I guess it's all about your money. Another thing I wouldn't do is I wouldn't buy another Grand Sport. I actually found, now I don't know about this new one, but I actually found my Grand Sport to be underpowered the few times I actually got to drive it. I mean, I only had the car 7 months. Almost 4 of those months it was in the shop. So, but when I did get to drive it, I kind of felt it was underpowered. After I got used to it, you know, people were saying don't get this 650 horsepower Z06. It's just way too much power for the street. But after a while, I found this car it started to feel underpowered. After about a month or so of just, you know, driving it balls to the wall. The few times I did get to drive it, that 480, 460, whatever it was, horsepower, it started to feel a little slow. So that's just another little tidbit from a previous Corvette owner. If I get another one, I'm definitely gonna go balls to the wall, C8 Z06, and you know, just go all out with the damn thing if you're gonna get it. But anyway, that's my take. Let me know what you think. Would you get the C8 Stingray right now, or would you wait to get the C8 Z06 or Grand Sport? Or would you buy one of the many on the market Stingrays, Z51 packages, some Z06s, and some Grand Sports? Let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.